So we've got a small job to do here, and I'm just going to show you how to do a small patch repair. Basically, we've had a delivery driver delivering some materials, and he's reversed into the drive for the customer, and he's basically hit this wall with his van. So I said to them, I'll sort it out. Oh well, bugs. I'll sort it out for her and all that. He was apologetic, but obviously doesn't help the fact that it's destroyed. So luckily it's just blown off the plaster of the wall. It's quite thick, but I actually have some rapid set cement here and some sand, luckily. So I'm just gonna do this in between the plastering that I'm doing. So I'll just run through quickly how to repair something like this. So first thing to do is we will loosen any, or see if there's any bits that are loose that need to come off. This does seem quite solid actually, but we'll just take off any loose bits up here. I think that's about it really. Just gonna dust it down as well with some water. I'm gonna be just using water to do a mechanical bond on this, because one, that's all we have, and it doesn't really need any type of bonding agent for this. Water will do the mechanical bond on this. So just to make sure the surface is not dusty. So this is what I'll be using. We're using building sand and a fast set cement. I'm going to mix this at 4:1, so that should be fairly nice and strong. And 4:1 will be 4 parts of building sand to 1 part of cement. That's the ratio that I'll be mixing it. And you add the water as you go along. Mix in a bucket, and I'll show you the type of consistency that you want to get. So this is the consistency that you want. You want firstly the color to blend in as one. So you can see the sand's quite yellow, the cement is quite grey. So you want it to be blended well, so it becomes one color. Also, you want it kind of firm enough to hold its shape, okay? But you don't want it too soft that it flops back in again, okay? About that type of firmness is what you want, so we can apply it to the wall without it falling off, slopping down, but also it's soft enough to apply it. This isn't as thick as I thought it was, so I might be able to get this in one coat really. Okay, so it's been about half an hour now actually, and the wall is firming up nicely. You see here, it's quite firm. So now we've got lovely British weather, starting to rain. We're just going to get a damp sponge, bring it out, and just lightly brush the edges and blend it into the old wall, like so. And I'm just brushing the whole thing. As you can see, it's bringing out the sand, which will make it match a bit more to the original wall that was there. You can see it's on the edge there. And just soften the edge with a sponge. It's very easy to do. This is something that anyone can have a go at. We just want to try and blend the line a little bit. So I'll just apply a little bit more pressure to get rid of that curve. Okay, and just soften the edges, round the edges a little bit. We go on the other side. Same thing. Soften the edges a bit. And I'm happy with that. So you can see how we've rounded the edge here. That's a nice little repair there. So I hope you liked that and you've learned something. If you've got any questions, just put in the comment section, and like and subscribe if you'd like to see any more of our videos. Thanks for watching.